Smoothie time. Okay, I think I'm zoomed in to zoom. I need to zoom out. I don't know if you guys can see my face, but oh well, you can hear my voice. I'm going to get it right if it ain't right and right now. But anywho, today I'm going to be making another smoothie. I showed you guys um, product review of this smoothie machine that I purchased at Walmart. It's through Mainstays. So yeah, today I'm going to be making a smoothie, and here I go. So I'm going to be making strawberry berry type smoothie, and first I'm going to start off. No, I'm starting with my fruit. So I'm going to add some strawberries. I hope you guys can see that. And I'm going to add just, I'm going to add this kale. I have some berries, some blueberries. Blueberries, yum yum. And I have a banana. 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 Okay, I gotta smash this down in here because I still got two more things that need to go in here. Oh. Okay. And I'm gonna add my almond milk. Yeah, I wanted to add a lot of, I like ice, but oh well, we can see how much ice pieces I can fit in here without stuff popping up. Okay. Now I'm just gonna add my lid. Oh my god. Hold on. Does it go? Yeah. Is it on there? Okay, we in there, y'all. So here I go. Uh-oh. I thought I was going. What? What's going on? Hold on. Beauty and power and energy and love all in a bottle. Okay, so screw that baby off. That baby on. I love it. It's actually good. The last one I had, it was a little bit thicker than this. I think because I had a lot of more fruit in it. But this, to me, this one is just right for me. It's not too thick and it's not too liquidy, watery like. Love in a bottle. So there it is. Hope you make your own. Tell me if you try this actual. Tell me if you comment if you use this recipe that I use and tell me how you like it. And or comment below your recipe, smoothie recipe that you use, because I just be making up my own. I actually haven't even researched any particular smoothie recipes. I just go with the flow of what I would like my smoothie to taste like. So yeah, comment below and tell me how you enjoy your smoothie.